Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn progressions exercise number 3 question number 1. Find the sum of the following APs. So here we have to find the sum of the given series. So here is the first question. Question number 1. 2 comma 7 comma 12 comma and so on to 10 terms. Okay, up to 10 terms. So he's asking to find the sum of 10 terms. So very simple here. So first term, what is the first term? This is the first term, a1, a2, a3. So 2 is the first term here. a1 is equal to a is equal to 2. Common difference, that is nothing but a2 minus a1, that is 7 minus 2, that is nothing but 5. So now what is the question is asking? Find sum of 10 terms. Up to 10 terms means sum of 10 terms. N value is 10. So n is equal to 10 he given. So the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula to find the sum of n terms of AP series. Now we need sum of 10 terms. Substitute 10 in the place of n. So 10 by 2, 2a, where a is nothing but 2, n minus 1, 10 minus 1. What is the difference here? 5. Okay. 10 by 2. Okay. Next here, 2 to the 4. So this is nothing but 9 into 5. So 10 by 2 as it is, you write. This is 4. 9 5s are how much? 45. To 1 time, to 5 times here. 5 into 4 plus 45 is nothing but 49. So multiply 49 into 5. 5 nines are 45 here. 4. 5 fours are 20, 24. 245. Therefore, the sum of 10 terms of AP series is nothing but 245. So this is the way we have to find the sum of 10 terms or 20 terms or 30 terms. Just to replace the value what is asking in the place of n. So now we will see another question also. So I am saying question number 3. So in this bit complete 4 questions are there. So I am saying 2 questions, remaining 2 questions for your homework. Here is question number 3. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. Find the sum up to 100 terms. So here this is the first term, a1, a2, a3. So here the first term is nothing but 0.6. Common difference is nothing but a2 minus a1. That is 1.7 minus 0.6 is nothing but 1.1. Now we have to find a sum up to how many terms? 100 terms. So the formula is sum of n terms of AP series is nothing but Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is a formula. So where S100, n value is nothing but 100 here. So this is 100 by 2. 2a, 2 into 0.6 plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1. Difference is nothing but 1.1. Okay, 100 by 2 is nothing but 50 here. So 2 times 0.6, 6 2s are 12. Point after 1 decimal. So 1.2. Okay, you got it. I think 6 2s are 12. Point is there here, put a dot. So here, this is 100 minus 1 is nothing but 99 into 1.1. So here, 99 into 11 you do first. So 9 as it is, 9 plus 9 is nothing but 18, and last 9 is as it is. 9, 8, 10. 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10. 108.9. So this is 1.2 plus this is 108.9. This is a product of 99 into 1.1. So add these two. So adding these two, so this is 9 plus 2 is nothing but 11 here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10 here. Here 1, 1, 11.01. So 50 into, so what I am getting, 110.1. 110.1. So multiply with 5. So multiply with 5. 5 into 1 is nothing but 5. 5 into 0 is nothing but 0. 5 into 1 is nothing but 5. 5 into 1 is nothing but 5. So here 50 is there na, keep one more 0. So a point after one decimal. So what is the final answer? 5505. So this is a sum of first 100 terms of the given AP series. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. So remaining 2 questions are for your homework. So I will give you the homework questions here.